In a landmark ruling, the U.S. Supreme Court struck down a part of the Voting Rights Act that previously forced some states to include majority-minority districts in their congressional maps. So Chief Political Correspondent Andy Weber explains the impact here in the Carolinas.
In a 6-3 decision, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled this week that congressional maps cannot be redrawn to strengthen the voting power of a single race, unless it can be proven the original district was drawn to discriminate against that group. Conservative justices first signaled their concerns with majority-minority districts during oral arguments back in October.
Race-based remedies are permissible for a period of time. What exactly do you think the endpoint should be?
How much of a change is that to representation in the country?
Yeah, I mean, in the Deep South, it's going to be a huge change. If you want to show racial discrimination, you have to show that that is true, and it's not about partisanship.
Western Carolina University professor Chris Cooper said the ruling could enable North and South Carolina to redraw some seats in the state legislature. There's also been a lot of talk about redrawing the district currently held by longtime South Carolina Congressman Jim Clyburn.
There's no strong feelings in the legislature to do that, because most of the legislators in South Carolina are fair-minded people.
But Cooper says despite previous failed attempts, Wednesday's ruling could reignite the effort.
The key is it was still drawn in order to make sure that people of color were able to choose a candidate of their choice. That's the legal language. I think there's really no doubt about that. And so, yes, during the next South Carolina redraw, whenever that is, I think we should be looking very closely at that district to see what happens.
Important to note, no districts in South or North Carolina can be changed ahead of the midterms in the fall. Andy Weber, Queen City News.
Queen City News Plus. Just search Queen City News on your smart TV's app store.